Hey guys, all right, I'm back. This is Lower Leighton. Now, a couple things I want to show you here. First of all, let me show you a quick progress update. So, let me flip the camera. Come down, your entrance is there. You come down the stairs, boom. We're actually going to open up this wall right here. So, you're going to come down, nice open concept. This actually, by the way, is a very nice, it's an 1,100 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom plus den. Huge kitchen's going to go in there. Beautiful fireplace. Look at that thing. We're going to finish all that in black. It's going to be absolutely stunning. You're going to have a bedroom here. You're going to have bathroom here. You're going to have laundry area right here. You're going to have, this is the den. I'm standing in the den right now. Hot water tanks are going here. And then you're going to have the other master bedroom over here. So these windows get enlarged for egress exit. We're making, now that's actually, let me go back to that. That's actually a pro tip right there. A lot of people, we just had this meeting on site with the boys and the project manager. A lot of people cheap out on their windows, right? They think to themselves, let me save money by only opening this up as little as I can, right? So let's just say egress says, open it to here. Let's just pretend, okay? That's not what it says, but let's just pretend. A lot of people say, okay, let's just make it a little bit bigger. Let's just cut that and boom. That's a big mistake. Whether you cut this out, just this little piece, or whether you make it much bigger, is not a whole lot more work. I mean, let's just say cutting out this kind of windows is an extra $1,500. Whether you cut just a little top part out, or whether you cut it much more to make a nice big window, the difference literally is probably 10-15% cost difference. It's not that big, but, and the window's barely any difference either. It's probably 30-40% more on the window. So the whole thing maybe cost you 20% more to make a nice big window, but it makes the living space situation much better. And that's really, really important. These lower units, the reason at Visture we get premium rent for these lower units, we get $2,200, $2,300 for our lower units, sometimes even more. The reason is because we spend the time planning and we go the extra mile with things like windows, with things like light, with things like open concept, with premium features like the fireplace, for example. So yes, it's budget driven. I understand everyone wants to save $1. I get it. I understand the return on investment is really important, but you got to think about your end client in mind. That is so critical. So that's what I wanted to show you here. I want to show you one other thing. Check this out. This, my friends, and a lot of you have asked me about this, but we're planning a coach home. On outside the wall, on the other side of the building right here is going to be a coach home. So we have roughed in the plumbing right now for this. Now, when are we putting in this coach home? Okay, this is important. And this is what you got to do right here. You got to rough in your plumbing. You have to flow your sewage from your coach home through your main house. That's how Peterborough wants it. It's not like that everywhere, but that's how Peterborough wants it. So when you do this, you are planning ahead. Now, let's just say you're renovating a basement right now. Let's just say, and you don't plan on doing a coach home today. You might not be planning to do a coach home. You should still do this. You should still rough in right now, because if you don't, you're going to have to tear that wall open in the future in order to rough that in. And it makes no sense. So planning ahead with these coach homes is absolutely critical. And I know many of you out there own a lot of these properties. Whether you own 1 or 2 or 5 or 20, it doesn't matter. If you're thinking about this in the future, you got to plan today for success tomorrow. And so yeah, wanted to show you that. This is a gorgeous, I'm going to show you another shot here. Gosh, look at this place. Look at this. I'm standing in the corner of the one room. This is going to be the kitchen right now. I'm standing in the corner of what's going to be the kitchen. It'll be a nice peninsula right here. Beautiful living area with a fireplace. That's going to be opened up, right? We're doing a 12-foot span right there. Bedroom over there, bathroom over there, laundry area, den, another big bedroom here. I mean, guys, literally stunning, stunning. We've been into this project for less than 10 working days. And look at the progress. Look at the progress. Incredible. Speed is important. This is how we are able at Visture to build a coach home from scratch to finished in least than 88 days. This product here, this basement unit, I'm going to give you an update on the timeline probably in the next week or two. But you're going to be shocked how fast we can turn these things around. Often people are doing these projects for literally 6, 8, 12 months before they get them rented. We're looking at somewhere between 6, 8 weeks max. Pretty amazing. Crew's doing a great job. On to the next project, folks.